Halasana, plow pose, and Karnapidasana, knee to ear pose. The benefits are described here. See the preparation asanas like some back bends, Dandasana, Paschimottanasana, and check the contraindications. Starting Sarvangasana, the weight is on your shoulder, not on your elbow or neck. Slowly lower the legs, touch the ball of the feet to the ground. See that your knees are straight and you activating your heels. Place the thumb to your psoas muscle and reaching up with your sitting bones so the waist can be straight. Rotate your shoulders under, bring the upper arms parallel position and support your back with your hands. You can do a variation where the legs are wide apart, or you can place the hands between your inner thighs, push against the inner thighs so you can activate more the muscle around your hip area. Another version when you join the legs on the side, in one side and the other side as well. You can walk slowly from one side to the other side. See that your hip remains activated, your knees are straight, and you activating your legs, you feeling the energy lines in your legs while your sitting bones looking towards the sky. From Halasana, we can get into Karnapidasana. Don't worry if your knees doesn't touch the floor, then you can remain with your legs flexed and slowly as your spine elongating, you will touch the floor. There is another variation when you can grab your heels and bring both soles towards the sky, or you can join the knees and you can bring the legs to one ear and after to the other ear, Parshva Karnapidasana. It's a great shoulder and neck opening asana, while it also has a good effect on the abdominal organs, and it gives great flexibility to the spine and to the whole body. Please do not force yourself into these positions unless you are prepared. Main emphasis should be on regular practice, and with regular practice your body will become more elastic and more strong. When you finished, slowly, vertebra by vertebra, with the support of your hands, roll back on the floor and stay here a few minutes. Just relax. Observe your sensation. And now I would like to show you another variation modification of Halasana, where we are bringing our sole to the floor and the legs are parallel with the mat. It's important that you pushing your heels against the wall and that your back remains perpendicular to the floor all the time. See that the hip area is well adjusted and see that your knees are straight. This variation is good for those who cannot touch the floor with their heels, and it's also a great pose for women yoga because it helps with uterus prolapse and women organs dislocation. You can also do Nauli in this position to strengthen the digestive system and to detoxify it.